Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to block a person on Pinterest. So let's start. First, open the Pinterest tab. When you open the app, at the bottom of the screen you will see a menu bar. And you will see a search option here. Now tap on the search icon. Now tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Then search for the person you want to block. If you tap on search on your keyboard, it will not show the profile. Rather, it will show some pins. Here you can see that you cannot see the profile. Now tap on the search bar and you will see the profiles on the search suggestions. Now tap on the profile you want to block. Then tap on three dots. And you'll see the block option here. Now tap on block. And then tap on block again. And now the person is blocked and you will not be able to see any updates from this person. And that is how you can block a person on Pinterest. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.